Q-tips, cotton swabs, 500 count, and 1,625 count. $7.49 to May 4th. Oh, so you get two of the 625 and one 500. 715 total cotton swabs. Bio Dance Bio Collagen Mask, 24 pack, $69.99. Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask, Green Overnight Hydrogel Mask. It looks like it's a full sheet mask. You get 24. Looks like it helps get the glass skin. It's that after 3-4 hours application, it turns clear. And like this is how to use it. Gives instructions and all of the ingredients. The Moneo Bifida Bio Serum strengthens skin barrier, improves skin elasticity, 5 probiotics, 10 hyaluronic acids, dermatologist tested, reduces under eye aging, $28.99. Complex serum, effective and invisibly strengthens skin. Korea's #1 serum. Has some awards, beauty awards. Skin rejuvenator, demolishes signs of aging, $28.99. Milk skin toner, $34.99. Milk skin toner for healthy, radiant, glowy skin. Instant glow, 24-hour moisture. Skin barrier support with a little 2 bonus ceramic cream for light moisture that lasts all day. $34.99. EOS Lip Balm 9 count 6 assist flavor, $11.99 on sale till May 4th. EOS 24-hour moisture super balm, watermelon, pros, mango, honestly apple, coconut milk and birthday cake, 5-pack 24-hour super balm. EOS Super Balm 5 tubes on sale to May 4th for $13.49. Organic lip balm, 100% natural, and vanilla bean, strawberry sorbet, acai, blackberry, fresh coconut, and mango nectar. 5 count organic lip balm, $11.99. Nature's Valley. Fulfill, we swear it's a protein bar. Chocolate peanut caramel flavor. Chocolate salted caramel flavor. We get 9 of each, it looks like. For a total of 18 bars, variety pack. 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams net carb, 15 gram protein, $18.69. Sun-made organic raisins, 2 2-pound bags, $10.99. Looks like there's 2 bags inside. Organic, whole fruit organic raisins. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content. What is that, beach sticks? Let's see, yeah, you get beach sticks, mamba fruit sticks, beach sticks, fruit juice, strawberry, orange, banana, lemonade. Oh, okay, they got a little peekaboo right there. There's some nutrition facts. There is the ingredients.
$5.99. The opening is at the front. Thank you. come around to the
Some
opening
more.
to pick up the cup. Come around to the opening. Thank you. Please come to the front red tray. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Come to the front red tray. $5.99. He's trying to get through. He's trying to get through. Oh, come on, dude. You got the light cinnamon. The allergy sign is wheat and soy. If you
I have Rip Van dark chocolate wafers, 24 count, $10.99. So it looks like 124 calories per serving, 2 grams of sugar per pack, 4 grams of net carbs. So it's looking like there's the ingredients and the nutrition facts. Mama's Choice fried calamari snack, 9.52 ounce, $13.79. It's a light and crispy fried calamari snack. That's what it looks like. So you can have it, how to eat more deliciously. Get some suggestions. There is the ingredients and the nutrition facts. Leah and Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. Yes, 220 ounces, $8.99. This is what it's looking like. All natural, original. 2 20 frozen bottles. It's very heavy. So Worcestershire sauce. Dark chocolate sea salt granola, 6 grams protein. Plant-based, USD organic. Gluten-free also. Oh, there's a little peekaboo right here. So it's vegan, non-GMO, whole grains. Made in an allergen-free facility. Oh, okay. So there is the nutrition facts. Chef Marito chicken seasoning, 18 ounce, $4.79. I think this is maybe just due to this Costco. I am in the Inglewood Costco, so this may be specific just to this location. Chef Marito's meat seasoning, 18 ounce. This is a meat seasoning, so $4.79. So it's the steak and meat seasoning. This is the asada. That is the calories. That's the ingredients on there. And asada seasoning. Goes out to May 4th. $5.89. So this one. This is what it looks like. Corny asada made with chili, garlic, spices, and sea salt. Very pretty, organic, certified. That's what it tastes good on. Here is the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Regular instant coffee, 16 ounce to April 27. So it's up for $9.29. The folders is the classic roast instant coffee crystals. There's the instructions right there. Nescafe Classico, 2 10.5 ounce. That's a May 4th, $15.49. $15.79. Excuse me. It's looking like this. Instant coffee. Rich and mold flavor, 150 cups. And you actually get 2. So that's just what one looks like. I don't know. Nescafe Blonde Gold Instant Espresso, 2 3.5 ounce, $11.99. 2 Nescafe Gold Blonde Velveeta Crema, 50 cups. You can get 2 of them. looking like it's ground coffee. Starbucks Sincere blend. Sincere blend. Notes of bright citrus and toasted almond. So it's a blonde roast. This is $19.99. Mayo flavored milk drink. So it's 10 cups. We're gonna have strawberry, banana, and melon. So 4 banana, 3 strawberry, 3 melon. Keep refrigerated. Game liquid high efficiency, 170 ounce, 159 loads on sale to May 4, $15.99. Getting a $4 off coupon. Game plus Oxy. Ooh. Chicken breakfast links. So they're chickens. No nitrates, gluten-free, pork-free. Kirkland Signature Mild Italian Sausage, 3.5 pounds, $10.49. Looks like you get 14 4-ounce links per package. Gluten-free. No artificial colors or flavors, no MSG, all natural. Mild Italian sausages. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Freshly made. See, not really. Like seasoned hard leaves. Looks like it's $3.99 a pound. So there's different prices. $24.70. That's at $25.26. Different prices. Garlic seasoned chicken meats. Okay. Pesto chicken chulo pasta, 40 ounce, $14.79. Spinning pesto chicken with cauliflower pasta, the chicken breast, cauliflower pasta, and a pesto sauce, ready in 7 minutes. Green. Often hot smoked salmon bites, 16 ounce, $16.99. Hot smoked Norwegian Atlantic salmon bites. Traditional black pepper, garlic, and herb. It's ready to eat. Non-GMO. Air fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Want it a little hot. See, and it has instructions for each. There's the ingredients and nutrition facts. Del Real Creamy Chicken Poblano, 32 ounce, $14.99. Chicken Poblano Meal Kit, ready in 6 minutes. Chicken with creamy poblano sauce and vegetables. This would include sauce packet, corn, poblano sauce. Nutrition facts. And the ingredients. $14.99. Chicken feet. You like $5.41. Chicken feet. Different ones available. 3 different flavors. You get 18 cans. You get the orange kiss. Try it out, guys. And they have a strawberry streusel cheesecake. This is like the sides. $22.99. Strawberry topping, butter streusel crumbs, sweet graham crust. Rich cheese filling. Type S Deluxe Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Also at April 27th for $27.99. Expanding comfort, ergonomic comfort and support. It's a seat cushion. It's for like car, home. It looks like. Supposed to help with all of these. Reduce pressure and strain, ergonomic support, charcoal food, infused memory foam, washable cover. Yankee Candle Car Jar Air Fresheners, 5-pack, $7.99 on sale also till April 27th. Yankee Candle, so it looks like it's Bahama Breeze. So looks like your hands here. Bahama Breeze. You have the Pink Sands, Midsummer's Night, Ice Berry Lemonade, and Vanilla Cupcake. Those are five air fresheners. Large seasoned cast iron reversible grill, $24.99. It looks like it is a double-sided grill and griddle. Turn any source to a grill or flat top griddle, inside or out. This cast iron, $24.99. Nordic Wear Naturals crisp sheet set. Me and my S's, $17.99. Made of natural aluminum, hand wash recommended, oven safe up to 500 degrees or 500 Fahrenheit, free of coatings, crisper cooling rack, $17.99. Last call. Core Home Terry Kitchen Towel, 8-pack configuration, 100% cotton, 8-pack, $14.99. It does look like that is going to be in a black and white set. So you're getting the solid black, solid white. It looks like light, thin stripes. Leaves color, 8-pack kitchen towels. I only see black and white. Alpine Mountain Gear stainless steel. Pair and mug set, $52.99. Make better coffee, stovetop or campfire. So this looks like this is for outdoors. 5-piece set. It has different handles. Looks like they're clip-on. Red, orange, green, and blue. Series Posturepedic Mountain. 13-inch medium mattress. Queen mattress only. Comfort layer, cool to touch cover, $579.99. This is like this is the King Foundation support from Sealy. A 9-inch stable, it looks like. And this is $159.99.